all the water that's falling here either goes this way or it goes that way. And that's the problem, the water that is actually going here. We knew this would arise, so what we did was we here is not pretty. So what's happening is water is seeping from under the base rail of this building. So we're going to be actually taking a look outside and seeing what's happening and how we're going to resolve this problem. So come on, let's check this out. So what's going on is that our customer has a walkway here, okay? So the slab was already done prior, and the building is actually smaller than the slab size. And what we have here is about 5 feet of a walkway, and it's perfectly level. So all the water that's falling here either goes this way or it goes that way. And that's the problem, the water that is actually going here. We knew this would arise, so what we did was we caulked the building. Now this doesn't really prevent it, and it's not a long-term solution. However, the next solution is that what we have here is we don't have any gutters. So we're gonna run gutters to minimize all the water that falls here. They have a sprinkler system that's actually pushing this way, and we're gonna make sure that it faces that way. Okay, so that's how we're minimizing the water that is falling here. And we're also going to fill in the control joints, seal that out. That way there's no water that is trying to go back in there, and that should really help minimize the situation. However, the best solution is when you're doing your concrete, this walkway should be sloping that way. That would be how to prevent it from happening. Or your building should be having a notch, and then this should be lowered at least about 1.5 inches from your main building slab. So that's how we can prevent this situation, but everything has a solution, and we're gonna find it, and we're gonna get this done for our customer. Awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you guys in the next one.